lesson is symmetry. Symmetry is defined as a balance and a proportionate similarity which is found in two halves of an object, that is, one half is the mirror image of the other half. Let's take note of the following terms. Symmetrical, asymmetrical, line of symmetry. This is an example of a shape that has symmetry. We can say that it is symmetrical. It's symmetrical because if you would fold the shape along the line, it would match exactly. This is an example of a shape that has no symmetry. We say that it is asymmetrical. It is asymmetrical because the other half is not an exact image of the other. This is symmetrical, and this one is asymmetrical. Let's draw a line of symmetry to show if the shapes are symmetrical. We can draw a line vertically like this. Each halves exactly match the other when we fold them. Let's try to draw a horizontal line like this. The other half is the mirror image of the other. We can also draw a diagonal line like this. The other half is the mirror image of the other. These are some examples of symmetrical shapes. Let's have some more examples of symmetrical shapes. To create symmetrical shapes, we draw a vertical line across the butterfly. In letter H, we can do a horizontal line. Also, we can draw a vertical line across the letter H. Then, vertical line across an arrow. Let's have examples of asymmetrical shapes. If we draw a horizontal line across the triangle, each halves are not mirror image of the other, so this is asymmetrical. If we draw a diagonal line across the rectangle, it is asymmetrical because if we fold it along the line, the other side is not an exact match of the other. If we draw a horizontal line this way, it is asymmetrical as well, since each halves are not the mirror image of the other. These are some examples of asymmetrical shapes. Let's have more examples of asymmetrical shapes. Now you know the symmetrical and asymmetrical shapes. It's your turn to identify them. Let's do this! Asymmetrical. Symmetrical. Symmetrical. Asymmetrical. Symmetrical. Symmetrical. Asymmetrical. Asymmetrical. Symmetrical. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you in our next episode.